Dropshipping is an excellent business concept to start with for ambitious entrepreneurs because of low barriers to entry in this one. Dropshipping allows you swiftly test several company ideas with a little risk, allowing you to learn a lot about how to select and promote in-demand products. Nevertheless, we were designed this article as a tutorial for readers. We presented 5 tips about how to scale your dropshipping business. The tip number 1, make sure your suppliers can scale with you. More often at the start of businesses, entrepreneurs likely to collaborate with would seem like a perfect supplier will cover their needs with fulfilling a huge amount of orders, and normally to order hundreds or thousands of products at once. Most likely, it brings ambitious businesses into the situation which supplier cannot handle with such amount of custom products, and understanding for blind businessmen overheated by such a great success comes too late. It may occur in delays of delivery, supply missing, and mixing up orders. This could cause a severe loss of income for started dropshipping businesses and lead to the shutdown of all processed businesses. What we advise you to do: obviously, you need to be confident that the supplier can handle all supply volume or have an automated order through the month. You need to check this out by ordering a small amount of about 10 to 50 pieces of products, and if you see that supplier is working properly, you can order higher amounts of products. The tip number 2, if the time comes, automate orders and tracking. Update a supplier who keeps you informed about the progress of your purchases and provides tracking numbers on time will help you and your customers feel more comfortable while the exchange process. Of course, this will result in far higher reviews and cherished 5-star ratings. Manual automation also reduces the risk of human mistakes and guarantees that the entire process is quick and efficient for both you and your clients. To reach those large 6-figure rewards, you may need to take up to 400 orders each day. Therefore, automated orders are necessary for any dropshipper looking to grow their business. The tip number 3, hire a new team to handle the business processes. When dropshipping, it can be tough to find the ever-increasing time required to manage a good business once it starts to grow. Many of us spent many hours wearing our customer service hats and sacrificing many hours of sleep to ensure you are accessible to handle customer service calls and emails at any time of day. When we first started our businesses, you may be more than capable of handling a variety of responsibilities at the beginning of your dropshipping adventure, when adrenaline keeps you awake enough to pull a few all-nighters. Although as daily orders reach 50 or more, it may become too much. As your company grows, it will become clear that you will not be able to handle everything on your own. What we suggest you do: create a virtual assistant team and consider employing a manager to oversee your assistants. The initial investment of your time in training your new crew is well worth the payoff, as it allows you to stand back and focus on the more important chores that come with developing your business. To scale up and start reaping the benefits of your hard work, you will need enough and professional assistance. To begin, we propose you hire a remote crew to tackle time-consuming tasks, disputes, customer service, fulfilling orders, copywriting, website design, analytical product research, and more that you face already. Even if the dropshipping strategy is straightforward, these responsibilities may be exhausting for lone entrepreneurs. The tip number 4, create customer support to deal with issues. Trying to solve client problems might be a never-ending task. Even if you are just providing useful information about your goods, customer service can make or break your business, and if you are a one-man army, staying on top of it might feel like conquering the mountain. Furthermore, managing your customer service might prevent you from having time to develop new product lines and other crucial tactical management responsibilities while you work in the business rather than on the one. What we suggest you do: hire professional customer support. Simply, your initial customer support representative will most likely be a part-time employee who may react to consumer inquiries as required. They may also be able to assist you with FAQ writing, social networking, and other initiatives. Going further, we'll have to ask you for professional helping. Your goal is to handle pre-sale and post-sale inquiries while providing the greatest customer experience possible, which will encourage clients to return. You may do this by using one of the many available online chat tools or a support system like Zendesk. The tip number 5, advertise your dropshipping business via social media. It is no secret that in 2021 most customer-based small businesses will receive due to promotion on social media, which could have trouble attracting the kind of customers you'll need to grow your business to 6 figures. Perhaps your social media accounts, such as Facebook and Instagram, are not generating the needed amount of money you are anticipating. Therefore, what we suggest to you in this time, drum roll, that is right, scale Facebook advertising or other, depends on your country. After testing products, you may have discovered the selling goods with a working strategy, but now you need to grow your business to a bigger audience. Begin with creating a stereotyped audience. With Facebook CBO campaign budget optimization, you may target a significantly larger audience while maintaining the highest CPR. In summing up, so here you are, all provided information you need to know about growing your dropshipping business and reaping the benefits for a successful business. Attempting to outsource when possible will allow you to focus on what you do best and expand yourself for new possibilities to go in other directions of the development business, along with ensuring that you try and test your supplier and know that they will be able to scale up as you rise above your competition, allowing your dropshipping business to grow to a healthy six-figure income. If this video was useful for you and you are ready to start working with Shopify, follow the link in the description. There you can also find a link to an excellent service that allows you to copy the products of any Shopify store to your store or save them to your computer locally in any format, CSV, XLS, XML, etc., for further analysis and use. And don't forget to click the like button and hit subscribe.